Hi, I'm Rory from Access Unlimited. Today I'm going to show you a PIR lift in a 2020 to 2025 Toyota Highlander. The PIR mount bolts into OEM holes and requires no permanent modification to the vehicle. We supply a modified storage compartment cover to ensure you retain access once the mount is installed. In addition to the modified cover, we supply a modified plastic so if the unit is ever removed, the vehicle can be returned to its factory state. This mount features 4 tie-down straps that must be used to secure the lift, wheelchair, and any accessories whenever the vehicle is in motion. Placement and location of these tie-downs may differ depending on your particular needs. We offer a variety of pickup devices suited for different wheelchairs. Our design team can help find the one best suited for you. Thank you for watching our video. For more on the 2020 to 2025 Highlander PIR, visit the description below. Thank you and have a great day.